Hey guys, what's good? I'm coming to you today to pretty much show you an DIY project that I recently worked on. I worked on it about a month or two ago. I want to say something like that, maybe 2 months ago. And I wanted to come on and show you guys what I did. Now, it is a simple little outside porch thing that I worked on. Super cheap. Yeah, I know I'm cheap, so hold on, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is my front porch look now. It's okay, could be better, but it was way worse. So what I did was, with my chairs here, I got these chairs from Goodwill, and they were like $10, I think. It was like $10 a piece or either $5 a piece, something like that. And I got these little pillows from Walmart. They were $5. And then I got two of these little flower pots. I flipped them upside down and pretty much put them together. I put a little strip around them there that I just had already on hand. And I stuck those together. I think those pots were like maybe $3 a piece, $2 a piece, something like that. And on top here I put like a pizza pan, and then I cut a placement mat over it, and just got some little flowers and stuff from the Dollar Tree. My water can I think I got for like, I don't know, something Dollar Tree-ish, probably $1 or something, knowing me. And then I got this rug, this black rug, which is very dirty right now because the wind has been blowing stuff from the grass and stuff on my porch, and I tried to get it out, but I'm gonna have to really deep clean that. But my rug was probably $6, and then this welcome rug I already had was probably $4 or whatever, something like that, maybe $8. I think my welcome rug was $8. And then these long plants, my mom gave me these, y'all. I am not a plant head at all, and I really wish she would stop giving me these plants, but because they die, Jesus. But these are growing, they're coming back now, whatever, since it's finally, warm out or whatever. But I get them looking better. I really just want some fake plants. But this is another one she gave me for Mother's Day, and I just flipped it up with two pots, which I'm probably gonna spray paint those pots black because I just got those, and I'm gonna stick them together or whatever. And I'm gonna do some more extra stuff out here, but this is just, my little DIY project. Oh yeah, I spray painted these black if I ain't said that already. But yeah, but it is very cute, very cozy, and I like it.